like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. I'm still not feeling good. So I thought I'll just go ahead and do this King Kong. It's the deluxe house one. And it's like $99, and that includes shipping if you buy one off. If you subscribe, it brought it down to like $76, something like that. I'll put the prices on the screen because I'm just still not feeling good, and I'm just trying to get something out because I have been, my babies left me and all they left me was their germs. But I've been on steroids, so I'll be alright. But I thought, well, this will get me through a little bit longer, and I'm probably going to do this and go back to bed. Okay, where's the top of this baby? Now, I like you can subscribe to them where you get one of these every month. Cancel at any time, which I like. And so I thought, well, and they have two different sizes on the toys that I was talking about getting. So I think I'm going to get a small one of each and then just donate it to the local children's home for Christmas. So, this is where we are. Okay. We got a hand towel, but it's very luxurious hand towel. There's two of those, and they're white. I just sent the last ones home with the kids. But yeah, this... Where did my glasses? I just had them. Well... Yeah, it brought it down to $71.25 by doing that. So this is a good way to do this. And I like to do this around Christmas time. This one is a blanket scarf. And that's what it looks like, which is quite interesting. My glasses are sitting right next to me. Make sure I read that right. I think I did. Okay, yeah, it's $71.25. So it takes quite a bit off if you subscribe, and you can cancel it anytime. So you only have to get one if you want, and then go cancel it. So that's good. And this is ant bait. This is that taro ant bait. And this stuff does work because I've had it in my house before because I had ants when I first moved in here. They're pre-filled and ready to use. And these go on the outside. So that's cool. That keeps them from coming back in. Then we have Dove for sensitive skin, which is pretty heavy, you know. I have very sensitive skin. But then we have Off. And these are backyard citronella candles, which I'll go put that in my spring tub. So I have it out there along with this. And I did go finally buy me a tub for my spring stuff so I can put it up. Here's a Nivea. These are nice to have in your purse. Especially me because I use it for butt cream. Because I have the same problem with people that have to blow their nose. And it's still. And people have to blow their nose a lot. Gets all the oils out of their skin because I go to the bathroom a lot. So I tend to use it there. Wow. This is a pair of Fiskars, which are expensive. And it's it's a pruner. But Fiskar is a very expensive brand. And I do have some stuff I need to prune, so that's handy. They're very expensive. Then we have, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a bathtub mat. And if my mom don't need it, I'll put it in mine because mine is uneven. It tends to get moldy really fast. I need a whole new bathtub because there's nicotine streaks on the wall of it that I cannot get off. I've tried everything. So, but I would like, if my mom doesn't need it, I'll use it. Then we have this. This is a laptop pouch, which I'm sure one of my Army boys would like to have this. So I'll give that to one of my Army boys because, you know, it's Army color, and or they have to go overseas. And these are razors, Schick razors. And I will donate these down at the VA. Because I get free razors all the time. And here's an umbrella. I didn't have any umbrellas till about 2 years ago when I started this channel. Now I have about 6 of them. But yeah, I like a good umbrella. The more compact, the better. Okay, then we have this. This is built-in insect protection. Bug shield blanket. Repels mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, flies. It's extra large size, 56 by 68. It's great for picnics, patio decks, outdoor activities, concerts, pets, and camping. Which, that's a great idea. That is a great idea. I can't smell anything. I don't know why I was even trying. I'm going to take my glasses off. I can. I don't know if I can, but I don't think I can. Let's be honest, I never did. And these are string lights. And they're, you know, for backgrounds and in your room. They're indoor. I think it said indoor. Looked like it said indoor. I think so. I think it's indoor. Which is fine. And here's some pumpkin spice Glade. Which I could use that about now. Because I'm actually out. I have no coupon. And here's a copper fit knee sleeve. And I'm sure one of the boys will want that. I'm not sure which one. One of them will. And here's some Mighty Patch for zits. Here's some pimple patches, and I'll send that over to the kids because that's who will use it. Here are some cupcake tins, which I had a bunch of these, and a friend borrowed them to make cupcakes for their grandchild at school, and I lost every one of them because they didn't return them. I have like 2 now, so that's pretty disheartening. Here's some of these clear containers where everybody's going to. Stackable bins with lids, which I probably can use those in my vanity because I was going to get some stuff to sort stuff out and put it in my in the door of my vanity. So I might use that for that. That would be good. And here's a heavy duty electrical cord, and it's braided. It's that braided material, like, and it only has, you know, the single plug-in, but it has the regular, which is nice. Because my last one that I used for my air conditioner in my bedroom got kind of smushed when it was going through. Oh no, you can't use it. You'd have to have an adapter. Here's another umbrella. This one's green. We have Uno Flex, which we had in the last one, and Dan seemed to really enjoy playing with the cards. We didn't play the game, but they played the card. He played with the cards constant, while his mom and dad were playing rummy. Here's an elbow one. These are expensive. These copper fit ones, they are expensive. Here's some toothpaste, which is just a damaged package is all. And it's a 3-pack, so I'll separate them and put them in people's Christmas baskets. And then we have light bulbs. I got more light bulbs right now than I've had in my entire life. I got them on sale, and I never used them. Because no lights have burned out since, you know, because LEDs last for a long time. I got one trying to go out in the bathroom, so I might be able to use that. Here you go. It's Starbucks cup, which we all know I don't drink coffee, but I have friends that do, so it's no biggie. No biggie. Then I got a Go Heat cordless heating pad. 4 hours of heat on the go. I need that. I need that right in my kitchen, right in my living room. Because what happens is I use it on my back or my stomach, and I can't use it both at the same time, so I will definitely enjoy that. Then I got this pack of little bunnies. Now, I don't know what to say about these little homely bunnies. They'd be a cute accent for Easter. So I may put those in my spring box too. But they'd be a cute accent for Easter. And lastly, we have this. And it is a Ready Heat portable ceramic heater. This kind of came in time because I don't have a heater in my bathroom. And so the back part of my house does get a little cold. Now, I don't have heat in that back bedroom either. So if I use it for recording in the wintertime, I'm going to really need this. So did I get my $70 worth? More than. I definitely got more than my $70 worth. Did I get things that I would use? Definitely. This is the first time in a long time, since I've been getting these, in a long time, that it's stuff that I won't just hand to somebody else or donate or whatever. The majority of it I will use myself, which is great. So I'll probably let this subscription ride one more month. And then next month I might go ahead and get the girl and the boy so I can donate them. I have grandchildren, but none of them live close to me. Although Kaylee's having a baby, and her due date is December 28th. My birthday is the 26th, and last time she had her ultrasound, they were talking about moving it up 2 days, and I told her that was fine. She can have it any day but the 28th, because my best friend's husband, his birthday's the 28th, and he'll never let me live it down. They've been good to me over the years, and they're good, but he'll never let me live it down. So, she can't have it on the 28th. She can have it any other day. Personally, I hope she has it pre-Christmas, because for the baby's sake, because the day after Christmas sucks for a birthday. And Christmas Day sucks for a birthday. So I'm hoping she has it pre-Christmas, because it still has a little bit of excitement to it. It's before Christmas. If she waits and has it after Christmas, then it really kind of sucks, because it's in the shadow always. But anyway, I'm going to go back to bed now. I've recorded. I'm going to get this up and try to start feeling better. I hope you're all doing well. Come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Hopefully I'll be over this before Friday and I can decently record. Thanks. Bye.